Hey guys, Maggie Nolan here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are a Baltimore top 10 wedding photography team called Living Radiant. We are a husband-wife duo, and today I'm coming to you to bring you 5 must-have items for styling lay flats for wedding day. So I'm really excited to talk to you about this because we do these every weekend almost for weddings, and I get some people who ask us where we find our items or where we buy our lay flats, and I figured I'd do a little show and tell for you guys today. So first and foremost, we're going to talk about backdrops. I actually create and build my own lay flat. So this is a lay flat, this is a backdrop, this is literally just a canvas from Hobby Lobby with fabric from Joann fabric. So this is one of my linen. Last summer I made about 8 of these. Some of them are textured, some are really plain. I do them in really light hues, colors. So I have a linen, I have a light gray, I even have a light green. I've done other ones for just lay flats in life for like beauty and makeup and stuff. So this is one that I did. This is literally foam core. I could bend it, that has contact paper. Okay, so there's a lot of ways that you can do these with them being not super expensive. I know you can buy them on Instagram or online, but you'll drop a couple $100, and these are just super easy DIY. You need a staple gun, fabric, and a piece of canvas. Okay, so that's number one. You can just make it yourself, but you need one of these. The second thing that you guys need are ring boxes. So some people buy sample styling kits. I don't know if they're samples. I think they're just called styling kits. You can buy them from the Mrs. Box. I love that company. But if you're on a tighter budget, I just didn't want to spend a fortune because I'd rather use business money for other stuff. I got them on Etsy. So these companies, I'll link them below in the comments, but these are really awesome. These are just 3 of 10 that I bought last year. They come as singles and doubles. You can get them monogrammed. And what's cool about these is that whether your couple has one or not, if they don't, you have an option. I keep them in my styling box. I actually have a styling box that we take on wedding days. In that styling box are ring boxes, crochet hooks, command hooks, what else? Stamps, vintage stamps, a whole bunch of stuff that we can use and help with color palette in laying invitation lay flats, okay? And it's really pretty to put one of these on an invitation. It just looks really classy. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3 are ribbons, silk ribbons. So I got these also on Etsy. You can get them from creatives that you know. There's some literally like you could like hashtag search ribbons, silk ribbons, and you'll find some really great companies on Instagram. But I got these from a girl off Etsy, and it was cool. Her Etsy account had multiple different packets with different colors. So I got like a grays, blacks, and whites. I got the whole blush and cream family. And then I got some really vibrant poppy ones that were like sapphire blue and emerald green. So it allows you to weave them throughout your lay flat, making them really pretty against your backdrop that you made or your lay flat. Okay, so that's number 3. The other 2 objects are actually things that your clients have, okay? So something that we ask all of our couples to bring with them on wedding day is a whole invitation suite. If they're afraid they're gonna forget it, sometimes I have them bring it to their final meeting. So invitation, you want the whole kit and caboodle. You want the invitation, you want the return card. If they have a menu, if they have a program, I have them bring a sample or an extra on wedding day so that I can style and do really pretty stuff with it. Sometimes it might just be the invitation return card by itself with a save the date. As simple or as extravagant as it is, being able to layer them, oh, it's so pretty. And alongside a ring box and silk ribbons, the layouts are endless. And the other thing that we do is we have them put in a box all of their details. So anything that goes on their body, all 3 rings, jewelry, hair clips, family heirlooms, because those are all objects that you can style with the invitation on the lay flat. And those are obviously things that I won't bring, but that the client will bring. So for you guys, that's the way that you can prep your client ahead of time, is just say, hey, for wedding day, go ahead and assemble this box of goodies that I can use to photograph with your lay flat and with your invitation. it just allows you to weave parts of the story into the day without you actually having to like remove it from your bride's head after hair and makeup put it in, or asking your couples to take their rings off later during reception, okay? Plus, you have beautiful natural light on wedding day. So those are your 5 must-haves for making pretty wedding lay flats with invitation, accessories, details, all of that. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. We have videos coming every week, and we're so glad that you're here and spent time with us today. Have a great day. Leave comments below. We're here to serve you guys. Take care.